Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. I'm fine as well. In this video, I will share with you latest AI photo prompts. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, install Google Gemini app in your smartphone. If you don't have app, that's not a problem. You can open your computer or smartphone browser and search Google AI Studio. Or from there you can generate AI photos. So currently I am using Gemini app. After opening the app, you will see the plus option. Click on plus. After that you will see the gallery option. Click on gallery and then you will see the all photos in your device. Select the best picture and clear picture of yourself and upload that picture into Gemini app, and after that you have to enter your prompt. After entering the prompt you will see the arrow option. Click on that. After clicking the arrow, processing will start. You will find all the image prompts in this video. What you have to do is you have to take screenshot of the prompt, then upload that screenshot to Google Images. That way you will be able to copy the text of the prompt. So image has been generated and look at the quality of the image looks very good. So this is how you can generate AI photos. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care.